The reason is I like the training of Alex's team is they give you the step by step. Step one, this needs to be done. This is how you do it. Step two, how you find the products. But already I love the way shown us how to look for the product and e-grow and things like that. And I still got a lot to learn, but it gives me a lot of confidence already to learn more. That tells me that this kind of business is you have to learn a lot, but you need this type of team to do it. I would recommend new people, my friends, families, work colleagues, because the way is very genuine teaching and very upfront, easy, and give that ingredient for success on the Amazon business. So I highly recommend to my friends and my families.